Hey guys, it's Bridget with San Diego Seed Company. I want to show you guys some of the benefits of calendula. So all of the flowers that we carry in our catalog, we choose them because they have some really great redeeming quality. Either they're really beautiful, they grow really well in our climates, or they have some medicinal qualities like calendula. Now, calendula is a wonderful plant. You can see that it's pretty compact. We have a variety that does really well in Southern California and the Pacific Southwest. And it comes in two different colors. We've got this beautiful yellow and we have this beautiful orange. Now, calendula has medicinal qualities that are really good for making hand lotions, salves, things like that. We actually make it on the farm regularly because our hands get so cracked from working outside, and we get cuts and we get burns and we get things like that. And it's really easy to make. You can simply harvest the blooms when they're really fresh like this. They're barely even open. They get mashed in a pestle and mortar, and then you can simply add that extract to a beeswax, any type of olive oil or a carrier oil, and use it on your hands and on scratches and on burns and things like that. In addition to being a really beautiful medicinal plant, it also does really well in the garden because it's so compact, and it can be a really good container variety on a patio. Also does really well as a border plant. We actually plant it next to other crops so that we can have beautiful flowers that we can use and also attract pollinators into the garden. So it's really a good companion flower, makes for great medicinal uses. It's very easy to grow. Now, let's say you want to grow it. How do you do it? You have two options. You can either direct sow it into the ground. If you do that, the ground needs to remain moist until the seeds germinate. Otherwise, you won't get very good germination. Or you can do what we do on our farm, and you can start them in the greenhouse in small pots. And then once they get 2-3 inches tall, we plant them out. We like to do it that way so we get perfect spacing and so that we can just guarantee that we have better success. Now, to get the most out of your calendula, it's really important that you deadhead. So it's really important that if you're not saving them for seed, that you actually pull off the blooms that are done. Why do you do that? You do that so the plant doesn't spend all this energy making this bloom into seeds and instead spends it into making more blooms.